to download Realtek HD audio driver in Windows 11 and 10. To do it so, you have to follow the steps. First of all, what you want to do is make sure to go to your device manager. Type in device manager and then you'll be taken to this page. So open up a browser and on the web address bar you want to type in. So when you type in Realtek HD audio manager, then you could go ahead and click the first link or just click on the official link, that is PC audio code C. Just go ahead and tap on it and it's going to direct you to this page. Here you could find a list of options, but the common ones is 64-bit Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10 driver only. Here click on this arrow icon in order to download it. So it's going to take a couple of seconds, but before that you have to make sure to agree to the terms and condition. So click on download this file and fill out this CAPTCHA and click on submit. After you've completed the steps, then it's going to be downloaded. After it is completely downloaded, then you just have to go and open up your file explorer and go to the download section. And right on this page, you'll be able to locate the download. Just double click on it and run the installation. So that way you'll be able to download Realtek HD audio drivers. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.